Hey you guys, I finally got something that I've been waiting to come from AliExpress today, which are these eye masks that I got for super duper cheap. I want to say anywhere from 30 to 40 cents or so each for each pack. I got the Crystal Collagen Gold Powder Eye Mask and also the mashed potato. I don't remember picking mashed potatoes, but it's the Golden Osmanthus mashed potatoes eye stickers. I ordered them. Oof, it's been over a month. You know, AliExpress takes a while for things to come, but they have finally arrived. This is what the back of them looks like, and I will be trying these out really soon. I'm really excited to try them, and yeah, I just wanted to show them to you guys. AliExpress. I will leave the link to the shop that I ordered them on in the description box. And also, I also ordered this Wonder Essence. Keeps skin young and beautiful, keeps skin energetic. It is a Korean skincare product. I've been wanting to try like all Korean skincare products because I think, you know, Korean, Chinese, Japanese, whatever, they have the most beautiful, softest skin. So I was scrolling through AliExpress looking for some different products that I can give a try. I have not tried this yet, but I have had it for a little while. Didn't just get this one. But it is BlueBerry, and it's like a serum. But this is how it looks, and it's a dropper, and it's a serum that you put on your skin, like it says, to make skin young and energetic. I believe that it has some type of collagen or something in it. It contains blueberry abstract so that the skin will absorb moisture and nutrition, conditioning the skin. Skin tightening, maintain skin moisture, balance, lack of moisture to improve rough skin, dryness, improve skin hydration, restores skin elasticity, and something about skin tender and rosy glow, meticulous, charming, radiant, supple is what it says. You know how their stuff kind of sometimes doesn't make sense. You just got to kind of put it together. But this was under $2. And yeah, I thought I would give it a try to see how well it works. And when I test this out, I will update you guys on all 3 of these products. If I do not forget, I will leave the links to each of the products in my description box if you guys are interested in trying it out. I will try these soon, and I'll let y'all know how I like them. Thanks for watching, you guys. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Click that thumbs up button and the notification bell so you'll know when my next video is up. I will soon have a nail video up soon. I just moved, you guys, so I'm trying to get everything together, and once I get everything set up and ready to go, I will have a nail video up for you guys. As you can see, my nails need to be done. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. Bye, y'all. Daughter knows me well. This is what she got me for Mother's Day, and I've been wanting this kit. And she also got me this. It's gonna show. Cute mirror I've been wanting. Flips. And this cute little bag with some cute wrapping. I really like this. I'm gonna keep this. Isn't that cute? Little pineapple. She gave me 20 bucks because I'm gonna go to IKEA and get some nail cart drawers that are $10 each. I'm gonna get 2. So she gave me some money so I can get that. And then hubby, he already got me some gifts throughout the week, but he picked me up 2 of the LA colors from the new collection that I want to collect all of them. So he got me 2 colors that I don't have. This one is opal, and this one is majestic, and this one is the metal nail polish collection, and this one is the Mermaid Magic.